Hi guys, in this experiment we will try to make our pH indicator and test it. Before we begin, what is the pH indicator? pH indicator is a solution change its color according to acidity or basicity of the solution. In another word, it's a chemical detector for hydrogen ions. The change could be a sudden change at specific pH or a gradual change to many colors as pH changes. By using a simple material and simple techniques, we can make a natural pH indicator from red cabbage or purple cabbage. Let us start. What do we need? The equipment for this experiment include flask, beaker, funnel, piece of cotton, cups, distilled water, bleach, vinegar, lemon juice, antacid powder, ammonia solution, bicarbonate solution, battery acid, egg white, aspirin, and red cabbage. And for the safety, we have gloves, goggles, and a lab coat. So, how we do it? We need to extract the pigment from red cabbage leaves. We can do this by simple infusion process, by cutting its leaf into small pieces and put them in hot water and leave it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. But to make it faster and easier, we can use a blender, or in another word, just make a cabbage juice. In hot distilled water, place the cabbage leaf in the blender. The amount of water is not critical, just try to dilute it as possible. Blend the mixture. Use a piece of cotton and funnel to strain the solution. You can use any filtration system to do this. Dilute it with distilled water to give better results. Finally, this is our indicator. Pour it into several glasses. The first solution we're going to test is battery acid or sulfuric acid, giving pH around 1, which turns the solution to bright red color. In the next cup, lemon juice, which contains citric acid and has pH around 2, turning the solution to red color. Next, vinegar or acetic acid. It gives pH around 2.5, giving a pink color. In the fourth cup, we have aspirin. Acetylsalicylic acid has a pH around 4. In the next cup, antacid powder. Carbon dioxide produced and it has a pH around 5.5, but this is not the end of the color change. After complete effervescence of carbon dioxide, the solution will return to neutral. Next cup, we're gonna test tap water, which turns the solution to blue, indicate tap water is slightly basic. The next solution is bicarbonate solution, which has a pH around 8 and give a greenish blue color. Next solution is egg white, which has pH around 9 and turns the solution to green color. Next one is ammonia solution, which has a pH around 10 and turns the solution to dark green color. The last cup, bleach or hypochlorite solution, which has a pH around 12.5, the pigment is completely destroyed in a strong basic medium, giving faint yellow color. It changes slowly to colorless, which is irreversible change. Red cabbage indicator contains anthocyanine, which is a natural dyes, can change its color according to pH, and it's decomposed in a strong basic medium. Finally, we have our pH indicator. Differentiate between acidic, basic, or neutral solution shouldn't be a big problem. Not anymore. Have a nice day. By the way, you can color the egg white with red cabbage juice and eat it. Bon appetit.